Well, because I can't do anything outside because of the weather, I'm in here putting up some insulation. I did some wire work. That light is for a ceiling fan, and these are going to be not can lights. They're LED lights, but they're going to be 4 in each corner. And what I did was I had to wire them up. I wired these up temporary. This is actually just a cord coming up from the basement, plugged into an outlet. It's just temporary so I can have lights in here. But the switch is going to be approximately right here when I build this wall. This will be the closet. This will be the door out of the bedroom. So I had to give a little extra wire. I'm trying to get this ceiling in, the insulation anyway, because when I turn on the furnace, it's basically heating up the attic. So I'm trying to get this all covered up so I can get it warm in here. Okay, we made a decision on our window sizes, and we ordered the windows, and now I have to cut out the rough opening for the windows. We're gonna have 2 sets of windows here and 2 sets of windows here. And so I measured this out and cut the 2x4 studs, and now I'm tearing it out, basically. Liquid nail. That liquid nail holds pretty good. Okay, let's see if we can't finish up that window today, because, well, there's not going to be a lot of outside activity today because, well, it's snowing. Yeah. 4, 5, 6 inches, something like that.